Welcome guys, welcome to the channel True Jamaican Vibes Fire Reid. So today my location is in Holland Bamboo. So you know Holland Bamboo is in St. Elizabeth Parish. So I'm gonna give you a tour from the Holland Bamboo area, take you all to the Santa Cruz. So I'm gonna take you all to Santa Cruz. Yeah man, so big up on yourself. Anyone that watch from yard and abroad, they can big up on yourself. One love and one heart. Don't say a lot of traffic up on the road. So I'm waiting the traffic ease up before me can shoot out. Yeah man, like it's a busy day today in the Holland Bamboo area. Yeah man, so that's hold on guys and take the tour with your tour guide Fire Reid and explore our beautiful island Jamaica in the Holland Bamboo area. Yeah, you know the Holland Bamboo area, you will see what I'm talking about. Two sides of the road have a lot of bamboos. Yeah man, so when you drive in this area, it's gonna be very dark, very dark. So you have to look out for a pothole because of the bamboo. Across the two sides of the road, sometimes the shadow it go hide the pothole them. So when driving this area, you gotta be very careful. Look out for all those potholes. And at night and day, you can look out for stray animal. You talk about cow. Be very careful when you're driving in this area, because you know what, you have a lot of cow farm in this area, also stray animal. So you have to look out on the eyes, you know. Big up yourself, Papi. So I'm gonna tell you about country life. I'm the boss I carrying banana. Cut a banana if you go feed him family. And also friend. So we're approaching a rest stop which is 1.5 kilometers away from this area. On your right, yeah man, you can get on a coconut and a peanut. Big up yourself, Fatty. Yeah man, a Fatty that, you know. When you come to Holland Bamboo, you can ask the Fatty. Get on a peanut, parched peanut, and also natural peanuts. If you make your left turn right here, will take you all to the Holland village area. Them call it Holland Village. It's a community. Yeah man, so if you don't want to know the Holland Village area, you would make the left turn. And also on your left, right here, this is where you have your curry goat shop. Get to the curry goat and roti. Remember back few months ago, you know the bamboo was destroyed by fire. Some areas in the bamboo, you know, Holland Bamboo is also a tourist attraction. So people from all over the world, from many different places, come to this location just to view the scenery of these bamboo. We all know bamboo is the largest grass. We don't class bamboo as tree, them class that grass. You can Google it and you will see. Yeah man, so we just want to know Jamaica, how to get around, because a lot of people traveling to Jamaica for the first time don't have an idea. Also, if you're not traveling to Jamaica for the first time too, remember, every day something changes in Jamaica. So it's good for you to stay up to date about this island. So them coconut, them man, them coconut, they look fresh. You know, say coconut good for your heart. Say coconut, you just wash off your heart with a coconut, with a lemon or lime, good for high blood pressure. So when you come through the bamboo, just stop and get to the coconut. Good for you know. It's just an update video because I know I do a lot of videos in this area. But one of my fans say you want to see from Holland Bamboo to Santa Cruz, so I'm just taking the time out to show you all how the place set up. And when you come to the Holland Bamboo area, you also can take a tour to the YS Falls. Yeah man, take a tour to the YS Falls. Very, very beautiful falls. No place like yard. Yeah, me know. Just want to have some money at Jamaica to enjoy the beautiful island. Jamaica nice, beautiful. Nothing like street hustling. Yeah, hustle every day to make a daily bread. See them people, them come out with them coconut on the stall. Just a hustle to send them kids go to school. Big up yourself, squaddy. If you know you want to reach the police station, you have to call 119. And you know fire is 110. In case of any emergency on the road, you know what to do. They will dispatch you to the nearest location, the nearest fire or police. Back in the days, them said they want to fix the Holland Bamboo area, pave off the road as a tourist attraction, but years gone, don't see no form of improvement in this area. I don't know why, because trust me, you know, yeah, some drivers at Jamaica, I know say if them put this road, they are very, very pretty. We know say I have a lot of accidents. We know the road not 100%, yes, we still have accidents in that area. So you can imagine if we have a pretty road like Highway 2000 from Maypen to Williamsfield. Can you imagine what the chaos would be on this in this area, in the Holland Bamboo area. Yeah man, so we are in the Lackover area now. So if you made the right turn, we'll take you all to Coffee Sped. Yeah man, big up all the Coffee Sped massive them, big up to the self youth, big up the Coffee Sped people them. Big up all the garbage collector them, and big up yourself. You keep Jamaica clean, not only Jamaica but all over the world. So big up yourself. Right turn there will take you all to Rice Peace area. Them place you have to look out for stray animal, look out for police, drive with care on the road. In this area, the Lackover main road, you have a lot of cows. Police are always in this area. So if you drive fast and don't obey the road code, you get a speeding ticket. That can lead up to $20,000. So we're heading towards Tombstone area. Tombstone, that is where you have tomb, like them call it, grave them call it at Jamaica. Tomb also, but some people know it as grave. In the middle of the road. So for the past them area and this one Jamaica flag with two grave in the Tombstone area across from the Lackover High School turnoff. If you made the left turn also, right here will take you all to Magotty to Appleton Estate, Newton. Yeah man, so you're across the bridge and now we're across the Lackover Bridge. Yeah man, so most of the people them cross the bridge. But I tell you, say sometimes a lot of accident always happen. Car run over the bridge. So coming up on your right, if you make that right turn, could take you all to the Jamaica Zoo, Burn Savannah, Lover's Leap. So this road can take you also to Mandeville. We're heading to Santa Cruz area. So we're heading towards White Corner. Everybody's supposed to know about the White Corner. So we're very close to the Rocky Hill area. Welcome to Rocky Hill. Yeah man, I have to look out on the eyes when not drive, you know. I have to look out on the eyes when not drive, because sometimes you can just have a sudden break. You have to hold on by your brake, and if you understand what I say. In the Rocky Hill area, you can get your ackee to buy. Yeah man, you know Jamaica love them ackee and salt fish. So get to know ackee and enjoy it, you know. Yeah man, you have to look out for them taxi drivers up on the road and them a speed. Nah, look where them a go. No road safety in them brain. All of them brain to make some money, at the same time that cost people life on the road. On your left, this is where you have the Domingo Motel. Pommel's, it's Pommel's, yeah man. On your left is the Pommel's Motel. If you're passing by and feel like to stop for the night, you can stop in this area. So guys, welcome to Santa Cruz. Yeah man, so I give you a tour from Holland Bamboo area to Santa Cruz. So we're having a bleak day today. Yeah, man, can look up on the mountain top there, you see dark clouds. I see dark clouds on my window. Come out, moms, come out. Yeah, man, them call the Honda Fit them the moms them in Jamaica, you know. Yeah, them call them the moms. Cause the reason why them call them the moms, Honda Fit them a crash a lot. Mostly female are driving Honda Fit them and a lot of accidents. So them give the female name moms. Yeah. So we are at the top stoplights. So if you make the left turn, we'll take you back on the back road. If you make the right turn, we'll take you back to. You might have to care for the people, them, you know. Yeah, there's some people that blow to the road and don't see that there's a blind man right there. So you have to care for the elderly people, them, care for the sick people, them. You have to care for everybody on the street. You can't just all for yourself alone in the street. Because you see the street, we think we know the street, but we will never know the street. So thank you all for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid, your #1 tour guide. Yeah, man. So remember to like up the video, free of cost.